Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today's video we are going to do something different from the usual. We are going on a shopping trip and we'll have a look at some very exclusive and special ikat fabrics and ikat suits, ikat raw silk material. So come with me. We have come to Neha Sri Fabrics. This is in Banjara Hills, road number 1 in Hyderabad. So let's go in and see what they have to offer. Hello friends, it is festival time now. We are all looking forward to do the shopping for the festival, Dashara, Navratri, followed by Deepavali, and of course marriage season also later. So I was looking out for some really good quality handloom fabrics because I feel that we should really promote the handloom tradition. And I was really lucky to find this particular shop, Neha Sri Fabrics, right here in the heart of Hyderabad city at Banjara Hills road number 1. So I said today let me come and have a look at this place for their wide collection and quality and extremely reasonable rates too. And I was in for a very pleasant surprise when I came here to see Vijayavani, and she said, ma'am, I recognize you by your voice itself. I spoke to her on phone and from my voice she asked me, are you Geeta's Kitchen, ma'am? So it is such a pleasure to see you here.
The pleasure is mine, ma'am. It's an absolute pleasure.
Thank you so much. Thank you. So Vani, can you please tell us a little more about this? Do you have a shop here? And this is your own shop, right? Your family shop,
yeah.
Okay. And where do you have your manufacturing unit?
Okay. Namaste friends. I am Vijayavani. Welcome to Neha Sri Fabrics. We are the manufacturers of ikat silk, raw silk and ikat cotton fabrics and ikat saris, silk saris, cotton saris, dupattas, etc. And we are located in Banjara Hills, road number 1 in Hyderabad.
Where do you have your actual weaving center, your handlooms? Where are they?
We are from 30 years. We are manufacturing raw silk and all.
Oh, it is your family generations. You are doing this same weaving.
From my grandfather, this is continuing, and the manufacturing unit is in Prodhattur. It's in Kadapa district, Prodhattur.
Okay, and then you have your sales outlet over here.
From 30 years we are manufacturing, but recently from 2 years we are having the presence in Hyderabad. 2 to 3 years.
Because ikat is a very popular and trendy kind of weave nowadays, and the patterns are so good that everybody loves ikat. Ikat kurtas, ikat saris, ikat dupattas, raw silks, everything. So I think I would like to know a little more about what exactly do we mean by ikat and what is pochampalli, because there's a lot, even I myself had this confusion. What is pochampalli, what is ikat, and ikat single ikat, double ikat? Can you just give a brief introduction, sir?
Pochampalli is the village, madam.
Okay.
It is a shopping area which huge ikat fabrics are available there.
Okay, that is why it has become synonymous with ikat. They say pochampalli and pochampalli ikat. Okay.
Ikat is a traditional art.
Okay.
So it is tie and dye. With the yarns begin with tie and dye. The fabric will come on loom. The design will come out with yarn dyed yarns.
Okay.
That is ikat.
Weave. Ikat is the weave.
Ikat is the weave.
Ikat
Okay.
is the weave.
Okay.
But the ikat, which the some more days.
From so long.
Pochampalli is the center for the weavers.
Correct.
The center is the shops. More shops are there, so they are selling from their
As pochampalli fabrics.
The fabric
It's called
So
pochampalli
the
fabric.
pochampalli fabric, but basically the weave is the ikat weave.
Ikat.
And also we call a single ikat and double ikat. What is the
It
difference,
is a
sir?
difference between single ikat and double ikat. Which is single ikat means it is every fabric has having warp and weft. The fabric construction is warp and weft. The warp is length side, weft is width wise.
Okay.
So in this particular ikat fabrics, we are having 25 meters in one warp. In warp side 25 meters, that is called warp side, and weft side is width wise. So warp design is coming single ikat. Both warp and weft they are having, it will come double ikat.
So a lot of manpower, lot of intricate work is involved in this
in that.
handloom weaving.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Yes.
So I think without wasting time, Vani, first we'll have a general look at what are all the things available, and then each one will show individually. Can you just tell me what are all the different types you have over here?
In this video, we will exclusively see ikat silk fabrics like ikat silk, ikat siko, raw silk, and ikat silk sarees, fabrics.
You have something in
dupattas.
tissue also, I
Yeah,
think, right?
Tissue.
Yes.
We call it as zari silk also, tissue silk, tie and dye. So many varieties we'll having. We'll have a look of all this.
And apart from that, they also are specialists in cotton. Different
Yeah.
types of ikat cotton fabrics. They have
Yeah.
mercerized cotton also.
Mercerized cotton.
Where you can mix and match and make
Yeah.
your suits, top, bottoms, dupattas, mercerized cotton dupattas, saris. And of course, even the men need not feel left out. We have got
Yeah.
linen, you said, right?
Linen fabrics.
shirts
We
and
have
fabrics.
ikat dupattas, kalankari fabrics. We have kalankari dupattas. We have towels. We have like a lot of collection.
Even
You
for
can,
bridal wear, they have lot of raw silk which you
Yeah.
can take the fabric and stitch and do
Yeah.
some work on it also. I think more than my saying, we'll see
Yeah,
the
we'll
visuals,
have a look.
then you can
We'll start
understand what it is. So this video will be exclusively about the silk, raw silk and the Seiko.
Yeah.
Seiko also. Seiko is silk and cotton blend.
silk and
right?
cotton mixes.
Because I want to show you all the products as much as possible, and in part 2 of the video we'll concentrate on
The
the
cotton.
cottons. Okay, Vani, come, let's start. Vani will now show us an overall of all the different beautiful collections that they have and what is each. Yes, Vani.
This is ikat silk. We have almost 100 to 150 designs.
Very
Just have a
colours,
look
yes,
like this,
Yes.
and individually, separately, we'll see each section. First,
Wonderful.
we'll have just a overall
Okay.
view.
These are all the ikat silks.
Yeah.
Okay.
These are all ikat silk. All these are ikat Seiko, which I said
Seiko.
silk cotton mix.
Oh, that's why it's called a Seiko.
Seiko.
Warp
Silk
and
silk we
cotton
have.
blend.
Warp silk, and in weft we will have cotton. That is,
Okay.
this is little sober look we'll have. So it's nice actually.
Okay.
And we have raw silk. We are the own manufacturing. This is from 30 years, which I told you.
Okay.
This is raw silk, and this is tissue.
Tissue, yes, these will
This
very
is
good
silver
for silk
tissue
sarees,
and
blouse material, no?
silver tissue and gold tissue we have.
Okay.
That we can see close.
These are the check designs.
These are the check
Okay.
gadi, we will say.
Okay.
All the colors we have.
Okay.
Each in each section we have so many colors, so many designs. Like all the colors in all the designs. Will be
Can we
having
will
so
show
many.
a few individually?
Yeah,
This
yeah.
is just an
Yeah,
overall
overall
bird's eye view of what they have. Yes?
Yeah,
And then
this is
we
tie
have-
and dye,
Tie and
and
okay.
that is silk by silk.
Okay.
This is in ikat silk only. No, we have little soft finishing. It is.
Okay. That is silk by
Yeah,
silk.
silk by
Okay.
And
And here what do we have?
we have other colors of raw silk,
Okay.
and ikat silk, ikat Seiko, and this is zari, which I told you. The same thing with different
I think
colors.
this raw silk can even be used for gents
Yeah,
kurtas,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
We
So
will
many
wear
wear, yeah.
For bridal
Bridal
wear also, or also
yeah.
for wedding wear. The kurta, this is a very pretty color too.
This is soft silk, which we have.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Vani. Now let's look at the individual
Yeah,
types.
individually we'll see what is what. And
Okay. See now Vani has brought out all the different types of designs and colors, and she will tell us more about this fabric and how we can use it also.
yeah, this is ikat silk, and this is 1000 rupees per meter. We can use this for blousing, lehengas, bridal lehengas, and kurtis. Tops, kurtis, men's kurtis also, men's shirts also, and kids wear like kids lehengas, kids frocks, multiple purpose we can use this. And this is 1000 rupees per meter with us. It's very less compared to market prices. We are the manufacturers, so the prices are very less here.
Very reasonable rates
Yeah,
you
very
have over
reasonable.
here. Because it's your own manufacturing.
Yeah, own
is it?
manufacturing.
That is really nice.
See
and
the
we
few
can
colours.
make
These are
tops,
very
kurtis.
elegant.
Yes,
We-
lovely silver color.
For
Yeah?
this colors, nice combinations we do for lehengas and all. It looks very pretty, like a nice color combination we choose. It's completely our own taste. If we
You
take
can
nice
mix and match is
nice-
what you're
nice
telling.
combination, like top I will go for pink, and bottom I'll go for silver lehenga. It looks very pretty.
Yes. So beautiful colors, bright shiny colors also you have. So it looks very elegant also. I think that blue is a favorite with many, right?
Yeah, blue goes with red
Blue
also.
goes with anything.
Red also.
Yes, these are all lovely
This
fabrics.
pink also.
And different designs. If you can zoom in on the designs, it will be nice. Look at the design on this one.
This design is called ikat. It's famous for this design. Ikat is
Okay.
famous for this
For
design.
this particular
so,
design. Also in that blue, I like that. Also look at this design also. You can
Yeah.
zoom
This
in.
is zigzag design. This is nice designs.
So depending on whatever we are stitching.
This
if
design
it
is called Pan Patala design. This is also very famous design. And this zigzag design Ikat is very famous for.
So can you just show us how to match it with dupattas also?
Yeah, we'll see that. These are Ikat silk dupattas.
Very pretty, Vani.
These are 3,400 rupees each piece, and we can pair this with Ikat silk fabric. This is fabric. If we have this for lehengas or kurtas, we can
Tops
pair.
also.
Yeah,
Okay.
tops also. We can pair it like this. It looks very good. For
What is the length
bridal
of this dupatta?
2.5 meters.
2.5 meters length.
Yeah.
And one speciality sir told me about these ikat dupattas.
Yeah, both the sides the
Front
design-
or back, it's the same.
Same.
It's actually like a reversible dupatta, we can tell. See, in other fabrics we have one is the right side and wrong side. Here both sides you can wear. That is the speciality of the ikat weave.
This we can have with green also, pink also. We can. It's like it's
Mix
depends
and
on our
match.
taste. Yeah.
See, this is another beautiful piece. She
Pink
has
and-
matched this green fabric for the top with this silk dupatta.
Yeah.
Pink and green.
It looks very elegant. Like it's a rich look. It
Yes,
gives
yes.
for
Party
party
wear,
wear and
yes,
all.
true.
It looks very good.
For any function. Very grand look it gives.
Yeah.
Very pretty.
With these dupattas we can match with lehengas also, and with these tops also, kurtas also.
Good. Left to your imagination how
Yeah.
you want to pair it off. This is a beautiful mehndi green dupatta with a pink border with zari.
This is my favorite color. It's
Oh,
looking
wow.
very great.
Your favorite color. It looks, it's got a lovely shine on
Yeah.
it. She has matched it with this pink fabric.
Ikat silk fabric.
Yes. So if you make even a lehenga out of that, it will look very
Yeah.
pretty lehenga and top also. There is such a wide variety of collections and designs. Then the video will become too long. So we are just showing you a select few. And later on when you contact them on the WhatsApp numbers, you can see all the
We'll
collections.
send the photos also if you want, and or else you want video calling also. We can. The facility is also there.
Wonderful. Next one.
This design is very famous in Ikat. Like this design is called Pan Patala design. It's a very big design.
Okay.
It's beautifully.
So a particular name
Yeah,
for this
yeah,
design.
it's very famous in
Very
this.
nice, very nice.
And I just want to clarify this dupattas are separate. Each is 3,400, and this fabric is different. Ikat silk. We are matching just for to get an idea, so
Okay.
that
You
the
can
fabric
match it
is-
with whichever you
Yeah,
like.
this
If you would like a green one or a
Yeah.
yellow one with it, it's up to
green
you.
is also good with this.
Yeah,
like
green
that.
will look good with
It
this.
completely on our taste.
Yes.
Fabric is different.
Okay. This is what she means. With the same dupatta, now she has matched it with a green silk top. So whichever you like, you can mix and match the
Completely on-
dupattas and the tops.
Completely on our taste.
Yes. Thank you, Vani.
And this is one more pink color. We can match with this green also, or else we can go with yellow also. These are Ikat silk sarees.
Okay.
What I'm wearing is also Ikat silk saree. No?
Okay. Very, very beautiful colors. Lovely shine. And some of them have got some zari also, I can see.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pure
And
hands.
what is the price of these sarees?
5,500.
5,500.
Yeah.
And do they come with blouse attached?
Yeah, with blouse.
Can you show me one set? This, I think I'll have a look at this. This combination particularly I like. This blue and green combination. I feel it's very, very pretty. And the design also is very pretty. So can we have a proper
Flower
look
design.
at this? Make it up more. Okay. This is the sari.
Yeah.
And then
Sari and the blouse you have with
this
border
the
like this.
parrot green. And with border, zari border. And what about the pallu? This is the pallu with the typical ikat design pallu. Very pretty and gives a very elegant look
Yeah.
to I feel. Right.
Altogether.
So as you can see, she has spread out so many colors and combinations. These are only a few. There are many more colors, designs, patterns.
One side will be having long border and one side just short border, zari borders with different colors and designs we have. See, this color is also good.
Would you like to drape one and show? Anyone? Just simply.
Yeah.
In a very simple way. Take this one. Bottom.
Anyways, what I'm wearing is also ikat silk saree, so you'll get an idea how it looks when it comes into presence.
Perfect. That also you can show.
This is one of the saree,
Yeah.
pink and green combination. The border is so nice with zigzag design. This is one of the colors, pink and green combination. It's so elegant. This is the pallu, and this is the blouse, green color blouse with zari border.
Yes. So far we have seen everything in silk. Then I asked Vani that what about for people who want a little more budget friendly, but you should have the same designs, weaves and the shine which we can use for simpler functions, and it should look elegant too.
Yeah.
So she has the answer for that also. Yes, no,
This is
Vani?
Seco fabric, ma'am. This is Seco is silk cotton mix. In warp we'll be having silk, and in weft we'll be having cotton. So it is little elegant look also, and it is washable also. The price is 650 per meter, ma'am.
Okay, so only 650 per
And
meter.
men also can wear this, and women also can wear this for kurta and tops,
Anything.
lehengas also they can wear.
Whatever you did with the silk,
Kids-
similar type we can do.
Kids love to wear this because it's very soft also, and it
Very
is
comfortable,
Yeah,
it
very
feels
comfortable.
very comfortable, you know, the
Yeah.
fabric is very comfortable and soft, and
is also very
it's
nice
got a
color.
good shine also to
Yeah.
it.
It's, it has that elegance also,
Yes.
that simplicity also. It's a blend
Yes,
of both.
yes. When we don't want such a grand, like
Yeah.
as if you're going for a wedding, but
Yeah.
at the same time for some decent functions or casual functions.
Design is ikat design, so we have all the ikat designs in the Seco also, in the silk also.
Okay.
It's like 100 to 150 designs we have in this also.
So similarly, we can mix
Yeah.
and match the top and bottom,
Yeah.
and with the dupattas also. See, just you can look at all the beautiful colors available
For
here.
kids wear, this is very nice. Kids kids frocks,
Okay.
small frocks we can
I
have.
think college going girls also
Yeah,
they can
kurtas
wear.
they can wear. See,
Anybody
this
for
we can-
homemakers
nice.
too. You can just wear these, you know, it's good to wear at home also.
This is with little checks.
Okay, with jerry checks.
Jerry checks.
Okay.
And this design is also nice.
So this is what 650 per meter, is it?
Yeah.
Correct?
Whereas checks is 750 rupees.
This checks is 700.
Okay, because of the
750.
jerry.
750 rupees this is, and without checks, this is like ikat
I
Seco
think
is
this black looks very
650.
elegant, right? It you can match it very well with different dupattas, and it can be well carried also. Let's have a look at the dupattas
Yeah.
also, Vani.
Now we'll see ikat Seco dupattas. These are 1550 each, and we can pair this dupattas with fabric.
Seco fabric.
If we take this fabric 2.5 meter and have tops, we can pair these dupattas.
Okay, very nice. If I want to buy only dupatta, for example, say this black dupatta, I can match it with any of my
Yeah.
existing tops.
Yeah,
also.
yeah,
It will
you can
go
buy
well,
separately.
especially for office wear and all.
Yeah, yeah, you
Then
can
can
buy
I buy the
separately.
dupatta
Yeah,
alone?
yeah.
How much does it cost? You said
Each is 1550.
1550.
These dupattas are 1550, and if you want Seco top, you can have take 2.5 meters and then
Match it
you can
with
match
it.
it.
Okay.
This
So
is one more
she's showing more colors. Yeah, right. Red and green.
The green dupatta you can match with the red. It looks very elegant. This is one more maroon color. You can match with blue also, green also. It's like depend on our taste.
Mix and match depends on their choice. Whatever. Very elegant piece, Vani.
Yeah,
Like a
This-
biscuit color.
yeah. This green color dupatta we can match with. The border is
Yes, it's
fun
two-toned.
pattern
Yeah.
design. Yeah, we can have match with this fabric.
Very nice. Dupatta.
White top. Purple dupatta. As dupattas, we have so many other colors also, many designs also.
Wide variety. You have
Yeah.
many more colors, designs. So you can choose whatever you like.
Yeah. Now we'll have look at raw silk. This is 100 grams quality, and this is 600 rupees per meter.
Okay.
This we can use for blousing also. What I'm wearing is also raw silk. We can have maggam work also. It looks very elegant for bridal wear.
They give a grand look to it.
Lehengas with ikat silk, which we have seen earlier. We can match with that also. Like one is like top maggam work top, raw silk maggam work top, and down ikat silk lehenga. Like that also we can match. And mainly blousing people uses this. Men's can also wear this for shirts,
It's lighter
kurtas.
colors, maybe
Yeah.
they will prefer.
And we have multiple colors. This is what I said, which we are manufacturing from 30 years in Pradhatur. And in the raw silk we have zari silk. This is called tissue also. And in this we have two varieties. One is gold, silver zari, and the other is gold zari. If you have a look at this, see, this is black with silver zari, and this is black with gold zari.
So
this
same
is the
basically black raw silk.
raw silk, black raw silk with tissue zari. Yeah. This is silver and this is gold. This is 650 rupees per meter.
Okay. In
And
this
we
also
have-
you have wide variety of
Yeah, we
colors,
have my
no?
wide variety. So many colors we have.
This cream also I think you can
This
go.
is also for kids lehengas. It looks very good. Now for the as this is with tissue, we don't need mangam work also for this. This we can wear like down nice lehenga for kids, and top we can have ikat silk. Like this we can mix and match. Like for my daughter, I have done that. Top. Really good.
That plain one, that light color one, can I just show that one?
Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
This is very nice color.
It's a pretty color, and this can go well both for gents kurtas also.
Yeah,
I feel, no? It will
gents
go well
kurta
for gents
also.
kurtas also.
Bridal wear. People uses for bridal wear.
So even
And
if
for
you want to buy for your husband, your brother,
Yeah.
your son,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
can include them also. It need not
Yeah,
be
yeah.
only for the ladies, right?
yeah, for kids' birthdays and all. Nicely we can
Wear it.
have
Yes.
nice magam work also we can do for ladies also. We can use for blousing. It looks very good for silk saris. We can match with this matching. We can do with this nice color and have wear it. It looks very elegant.
Okay. So this is all about the silk, raw silk, siko, dupattas. We have seen wide varieties of designs, colors, and Vani has patiently showed us her entire collection. I won't say entire, there is much more. We have only seen a
Little
sample.
collection, yeah.
And then we will do another video, Vani, on your cotton fabrics.
Yeah.
What do you have in that?
In cottons we have moisturized cotton, ikat, single cotton, double ikat.
Double ikat cotton.
And,
you have sets also, isn't it? Top,
yeah.
bottom, and dupatta
In
as a set.
cotton we have sets like top, dupatta and bottom.
Very nice for
Dupattas
casual
also.
and office
Yeah,
wear
yeah.
also. I really like those.
Double ikat
cottons.
dupattas also we have, moisturized cotton dupattas also we
Sarees
have.
also you have. I think.
Moisturized cotton sarees also we have. And ikat bedsheets also. Kalankari fabrics also we have. Kalankari
Okay,
silk,
bed sheets, I
kalankari
think some
cotton.
towels also.
Yeah, bed sheets, towels.
So I think all that we'll do in a
All this will
separate
cover.
video. So we have started off with this video.
Stay
And
tuned.
now about the, yes. And now for the contact details, Kavani, can you please tell our viewers how they can get in touch with you and how they can place their orders, what kind of payment you take, all the details.
We are located in Banjara Hills Road number 1 in Hyderabad. If anyone are staying nearby, please come and visit the store. And if
What are your timings?
timings is from morning 10 a.m. to night 9 p.m.
Okay.
And if someone can't come, you can have online shopping also. We'll give you the number that it
Okay, I will display it in the video.
You can
the
have
contact numbers. They can call you or WhatsApp you also.
WhatsApp, text us.
Okay.
And
Video call also. I
video
think
call
they can-
facilities are also available. If you want pics also, we'll share the pics, like which item you want, which segment you want. If you ask, in that segment we'll send the pics so that you can select. And,
Yes. And one more
shipping.
thing, it is not necessary that I buy 2 meters, 3 meters. Let us say I want to buy
Quantity.
just 1
1
meter or 80
half
centimeters for a
meter,
blouse.
30 centimeter, whatever the
Whatever
quantity
you want in any material, you are willing to cut and give
because
me that
kids
much.
will need only 25-30 centimeters for the top.
Okay.
That is also
So
we
there
are
is no
provide-
minimum quantity that I
no
have to buy.
restriction.
Anything I can
you
buy.
can buy whatever
I can
quantity
place
you want.
the order
Yeah.
and then you are shipping both.
Yeah,
Domestic and
we are
international
shipping
also?
right now we are shipping domestically, and if someone wants international also, we'll try for that. Yeah.
Okay, you'll find out about the
Yeah.
couriers which will carry your.
Yeah. Overall,
products.
India right now we are like already we are shipping throughout India.
Okay.
If
And
you
what
are-
about the payment method? How can they send the payment?
if they select and billing is done, they can pay through GPay or Google Pay or
So
Paytm.
all those
Yeah.
details we'll give in the description
Yeah.
box. Okay.
Like we'll give their number so they can pay, and after that we will send the
You'll send the products.
Yeah.
And one thing I want to be assured of the quality.
quality
Yes.
is 100%. This is 1130 grams.
Quality plus
Quality-
reasonable rate. Both I must
Quality,
get at,
there is
Legacy.
no like
No compromise.
quality is 100% pure silk we are having, and the prices are the very best prices in the whole Hyderabad. These prices no one is offering.
Okay.
It's like almost half of the outside
Yes,
market.
yes.
So we are the manufacturers, and
Okay.
Can the payment done by NEFT or bank transfer?
Yeah, payment mode it's up to you.
Okay. But is there any COD available?
COD is not available.
Not
I'm
available.
sorry
So
for
you have
that.
to do either GPay or a net transfer.
After
Okay?
the payment is done, we will send the courier.
If you have any other doubts, you can always send them a WhatsApp message and Vani is ready
Yeah.
to answer all your queries. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for coming.
Very
and
kind of you. Not
visiting
at all.
us.
My pleasure. I really feasted my eyes on so much. I'm still waiting to do the
Very happy.
cottons video
Yeah.
also. So
We are very happy to present us through your channel. And
Vani
it's
is
absolute
really
pleasure.
very friendly and very patiently she has shown us all these things. Thank you for watching the video and we'll meet again with another interesting video from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.